the little the jam nuts for the force?
Okay, cool that it goes from here to there.
So we're gonna go ahead and finish up all the lines for the CO2. So we have 2 regulators on there that'll regulate half of the system, and the other half needs a little bit higher pressure. So that's what we're doing now. Well, if you can do one, if not, you do one in the corner.
I want you to call me a liar in the future. This, like at a 45, at a 45 angle. Oh, were they gonna go up here?
No, those go. No, those are gonna go right here. So those 2.
Both of these?
Yeah.
Yeah, you probably do 2 90s offset like this.
You can go straight.
Yeah, just 90s at a 45.
I can go one straight and one inside.
Oh yeah. Oh, actually, no. You could just come 2. One here, 90. Another one just come over 90. This one will come like that.
Yeah, true.
They'll come here, here, and then it'll be 90s. But like
Off the bottom to the top. No, huh?
no, even though we no. Yeah, because they'll have to be like.
Story of your life. Throw that marker away.
It's right there. I see. Where's that unit? Where's that unit bit? Somebody screaming. It's just a leaf blower.
What's up?
I said the leaf blower sounded like somebody screaming for a moment.
Beautiful.
One more. I'm gonna have to grab in the bottom.
The back one or the front one?
The front one.
Really?
You can't get to it now.
They're good. Put this together, then we can.
What line is that?
This is the main line that actually feeds the vacuum block off one of the regulators from the CO2. Cool. The soft stuff. It wasn't meant for. This is high temp and high pressure. See his line right here?
Yep.
So this is one of them. We're already having it set up. So usually I'll make a mount for it or something. This won't be in the way. And when we need it, we just grab it. Oh yeah, we could do that. Just have it like somewhere. Well, he has this harness going through here, so I don't know. We'll figure it out once we're all done. Worst case scenario, I can always remake this and make it shorter, but I think it's fine. Big shout out to Kenny Hubbard. He's the one that actually made this happen.
Too stiff, you know?
It might actually work.
Oh, you gotta stretch it
Yeah,
out.
once it heats up and stuff, like the first couple heat cycles and shit, it'll fucking form better.
Yeah, so you gotta switch these out now.
Still at it.
You have to get off?
What you gotta do is in one of these?
What is that? That's that bullshit.
You could add it on like right here, no?
Yeah. And just come here.
We need to fade you up again.
What?
He's zooming to your scalp. He said you're looking a little
I'm looking a little rough.
rough.
I'll bring my clippers.
Okay, those looks like some sand.
Oh, damn it.
No.
Yeah.
You're strong.
Yeah. Almost.
Bitch.
What did we say, 48?
48.
Okay, hit yourself.
I didn't do it.
Damn bad.
48 inches?
Yeah. So, you see that one? Photo right there? Are they even? Alright. Hey Dave, you have new batteries for this?
What was wrong with the brake lines before? They're just redoing them?
Bad flare.
Bad flare?
So luckily I'm able to salvage these. But luckily there's enough slack in it that I can still reflare it and keep it without having to actually pull all that apart together.
I see. Who did it the first time?
I do not know, to be honest. But if you look at the other line on the other side, you'll see how bad the flare is. That it's pushing the line. See that bearing? That's a better flare. Some people would say it's not.
It's not. It's shit.
Better than what was there. But this will actually hold because in the pocket it will not push through. Maybe switch it to this.
Man, look at that chain glistening, shining. Damn, you rich.
Is that gold plated silver? Let's go.
Hey man, I got that shit
Oh,
from the
then I got-
25-cent machine.
Nah,
Man.
it's called you gotta start somewhere.
The flea market, baby.
Yeah.
What'd you just drop?
Fuck, man.
Damn it. That's gonna be expensive. Man, look at the TV, man. That thing is fucking trippy, dude. I'm gonna go get some mush.
What am I doing?
I don't know.
Oh yeah, these two are here. So like on this, you don't really need a vise. Usually like on what number 4s, number 6s, and sometimes number 8s are pretty
The
easy.
smaller guys.
Yeah. But as you can tell, like I usually put a little bit of electric grease on the actual shank, and then some anti-seize on the deal, on the threads, just to make sure that they can actually be reusable. You know what I mean? Sometimes when you put them on or whatever, they heat up a little bit, and just a little bit of friction, that's game over. Once it start pulling the threads and shit, so doing it this way kind of helps a little bit.
Man, look at those shapes.
And the reason why I do that, what? Oh wow. The reason why I use the electric grease too is to help it actually go in the hose a lot easier. You know how sometimes it has to push it out. So like if you're doing this, it'll try to spin it together.
Yeah.
So I use that, the grease, to kind of help it lubricate, so it'll just spin inside and just hold. And full.
Secondary light, the pink color.
We could do that too.
Cutting it.
Yeah, okay, right at the tip of the this bullshit ass flag.
Circumcising it.
Yes, sir. What's up?
interior?
Yeah, it's pretty inside.